Don't allow the remote control of your emotions to be in the hands of other people. You choose and you respond. Don't react. Thank you very much. Namaste. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Avinash Ananda and I'm here to share with you a story and a message. The story is about Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was once walking down a street with his disciple Ananda, and they passed by a two-story building where there was a man who was standing on the second floor in the balcony, and he was hurling abuses at Gautama Buddha. He was shouting at him and he was very angry with him. See, it's not always possible to win over everybody. Pleasing everybody is a psychological dead end. No matter how good you are, no matter what you do, some people will be angry with you for their own reasons. So Gautama Buddha was walking past and this man was shouting abuses at him. Now Ananda, who was his disciple, he got very angry. He said, "How dare you talk to my master like this?" And he started shouting back. He started defending and he started hurling abuses back, and there was a volley of abuses that were happening, verbal battle that was going on between this man and between Ananda. And Ananda turned and looked and he saw that his master, Gautam Buddha, had walked away 15 steps. So Ananda ran quickly up to him and he said, "Master, Lord Buddha, what is this? You're walking away? This man is throwing abuses at you and you're walking away? Why are you doing that? How can you take this?" So Gautam Buddha smiled. See, masters smile. So Gautam Buddha smiled and he asked Ananda, he says that, "Ananda, if I give you a fistful of raw rice, and if you don't want it, what will you do?" He says, "If I don't want it, I won't take it." So he says, "Exactly. That man is giving me abuses. I don't want it. So I didn't take it." You don't have to take everything that everyone gives you. Be selective. Protect your heart. Build a psychological immune system where if somebody is telling you something, you decide whether you want to take it personally or whether you want to let it go. Okay? The technique in meta-mind alignment, the science of leadership and happiness, is called objective depersonalization technique, which means that if somebody is telling you something, take it here. Don't take it here. Take it here. So don't put your hand out like this. I'm not saying that, but it's an analogy. It's an example I'm giving you. Take it here. See that this criticism or this abuse or this negative thing that people are giving you, is it valid? Is there any truth in it? Is there something you can learn from it? Or is it just a product of their anger and their frustration? If it is valid, take only that part which is valid and learn something. If it is invalid, throw it away. If you're not sure, keep it in your pocket and decide later. But don't take everything here. Don't allow the remote control of your emotions to be in the hands of other people. You choose and you respond. Don't react. Thank you very much.